How do you feel when a hotel asks you to reuse towels to save the planet? A bit cynical? You might think, do they really care about the planet, or are they just trying to save money at your expense? We tackled that feeling head-on in a 4-star hotel in Slovenia. We wanted to entice guests to voluntarily waive their daily room clean, including the replacement of towels. We informed guests at check-in that room cleaning is expensive and offered to split the savings of each clean they waived. The hotel saved half and passed on the other half to guests in form of a drink voucher. This strategy increased the number of guests foregoing a room clean from 3 to 42%. And we never even mentioned the environment. Next, we explained to guests at check-in that each room clean uses 100 milliliters of chemicals, 35 liters of water, and 1.5 kilowatt hours of electricity. And we asked them to help us protect the environment. Guess what? No further improvement. This experiment taught us a lot about changing human behavior using equity theory. Equity theory postulates that people work towards balancing social exchanges. People want to get as much as they give and give as much as they get. Our experiment also produced a practical approach for hotels to reduce the burden of their operations on the environment and save money. The best part was that we did not need to make hotel guests feel guilty or ask them to sacrifice their enjoyment. Instead, we added to their enjoyment. Hotel guests loved their free drink.